When learning Rust, the ownership and borrow checker system can be one of the steepest hurdles. Two AI models, Claude and ChatGPT, offer different approaches to explaining these concepts. In testing, Claude tends to break down ownership with concrete analogies, like comparing it to a library book checkout system, while ChatGPT leans into code examples and step-by-step memory diagrams. For borrow checker errors, Claude often provides a plain language explanation of why the compiler is unhappy, then offers a corrected snippet. ChatGPT, meanwhile, might generate multiple solutions and ask the user to choose based on their specific use case. Both models handle lifetime annotations competently, but Claude's explanations feel slightly more narrative, while ChatGPT's are more code-heavy. The choice really depends on whether you prefer analogy-driven learning or direct code reference. The takeaway is that either model can accelerate Rust comprehension, but the best results come from using them together, Claude for conceptual clarity and ChatGPT for rapid code iteration.